This video will show you how to trim a video in CapCut. Sometimes, we need to extract only a portion of a video to share it with others. To get the portion, you can trim it using CapCut. Here are the steps to do it on CapCut on your PC. The first step is to import the video into CapCut. Click on the Import button and select your video. Then, drag the clip to the editing timeline. There are two ways to trim your video clip. The first way can be used to trim your clip at the start or at the end. All you have to do is drag the edge of the clip to the point where you want the clip to begin or end. What remains on the timeline will be the trimmed version of your video clip. You can then proceed to export it. Use the second method if you want to extract a portion between the video's start and end points. Here's how to do it. Drag the timeline marker to where you want the video to start. Then, hit the split button. You can also use the Ctrl-B keys. Then, choose a point where you want the video to end. Then, hit the split button. Next, use the delete key on your keyboard to remove the portions on the left and right sides of the chosen portion. You'll be left with the trimmed version of your video. You can then proceed to export your video. Here is the trimmed version of the original video. Those were the steps on how to trim a video clip in CapCut. Go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.